Good morning, everyone. I'm Rafael Colinzica Willie, a grade 5 student of Holy Family Academy, Section St. Adelaide. Every September, environmental organizations around the world come together to celebrate the Environmental Awareness Month with the goal to raise awareness on the different environmental issues the world is facing today. Guided by this, our school also prepared a simple program with the theme Hope and Act with Creation, embracing good stewardship through service and responsibility. As a Familian who is a follower of Jesus' teachings, I am advocating for the preservation of the earth, our common home, by my few simple ideas to encourage each and every one of you towards our journey in caring for God's creation. First, air pollution is a major threat not only in our environment but to our health as well. If I may suggest, get around in a green way, meaning we can walk or cycle going to nearby places. If you need to use a car, consider electric or hybrid vehicles to lessen the greenhouse gases that cause climate change. Second, we need to do our part not only as a Familian but also as a common individual dwelling on earth. It would be a big help and reduce the burden on creation if we always practice the 5 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle, repair, and recover in our homes, schools, streets, and other public places. Also, plant something. Let's do what we can to add green to the world. Another is save water. There are small ways to reduce water use, but by doing so, they can add up to a lot. One way is by installing rain barrels to collect water for our garden, for washing cars, and even bathrooms. Then, turn things off. It's an easy act. Appliances or lights not in use, unplug and switch them off to save energy. Lastly, be a voice. As a young Familian, a young generation, we are the hope of Mother Earth. And we need to act now, otherwise it will be too late for us to save our home. God made us His stewards of His creation, so we are responsible to look after it. Again, this is Rafael. Thank you for listening, that in all things, God may be glorified.